Breaking news has just hit the crypto market. US inflation is surging at a rate highest since 1982, and we are currently seeing the Bitcoin price explode to the upside. Could this potentially be the beginning of a much larger rally towards a new all-time high? Let's dive in and analyze. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Kirby here, your cryptocurrency expert, back with another edition of the daily live stream. So let's not waste any time and get right down to it. Now hold the phone, ladies and gentlemen, hold the phone, because if you are subscribed to this channel, then this breakout should not have come as a surprise to you, because stream after stream, I've been pointing out that many indicators that I follow here have been flipping bullish for the Bitcoin price. And we also saw this horizontal range of tentative resistance get sliced through like a hot knife through butter. Let's get this crypto. I was waiting for this to happen, in conjunction with the creation of a new higher high. What do I mean by this? Well, we had a peak up here, then a lower high, lower high, lower high. This was the trend line to watch, ladies and gentlemen. I've been pointing it out stream after stream. So now not only did Bitcoin break the horizontal resistance, not only did Bitcoin break the downward sloping diagonal resistance, but what do you know, folks? You just can't make this stuff up. Ding, 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 chicken wings for dinner, tofu if you're vegan. The Bitcoin price has now climbed to a new higher high on a local level. Let's get this crypto. Big stuff is happening here, folks, and if you've been subscribed to this channel, you would know it. So if you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe, tick the little bell, and select all so you don't miss any more of the most must-see and most realistic Bitcoin analysis on YouTube, period. Welcome to the channel. I'm happy to have you. So let's take a look at some indicators. Here on the one-day time frame, I've pulled up the Keltner Channels indicator. Now, on this downtrend, obviously the majority of the price action was trading towards or below the bottom of the band. I mean, when you're trading at the bottom and seeing candles pierce through the bottom, just like we saw so many times, that is a clear-cut distinction that we are in a bearish downtrend. It's the opposite on the way up, when you're seeing the majority of the price action trade towards the top of the band with candles piercing through the top. That is what you look for in an uptrend. And my friends, right here, right now, we did not get rejected at the median line like we did not once, not twice, but 3 times on this downtrend. So we broke through that middle band of resistance, and now we're trading at the top of the band with candles piercing through the top. Let's get this crypto. Very nice change here on the Keltner Channels indicator, and I like what I see. Another indicator we're going to pull up here is the Williams Alligator indicator on the one-day time frame, an oldie but a goodie. And folks, the last time that we had a signal on the one-day time frame on this indicator was all the way back up here in November of 2021. And what do you know, folks? Bang! We got the new signal right down here. The signal on this indicator is the green line crossing either below or above both the red and blue lines, with the price action trading either below or above the bands. So you can see all the way back here in November, bearish signal. We got the cross with the price action trading below. Then down here in the current day, we have just the opposite. The green crossing above the red and the blue with the price action trading above. So we now have a bullish cross for the first time in many months, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get this crypto. I'm just saying that even if this does wind up failing and becoming a sick bull trap, there are signs in the chart right now that the tide could be a turning. Yes, we have seen this bearish for many months, and you guys know right here on this channel that the Don has been playing this market to the downside, because I just try and stay on the right side of the trend. I'm not a moon boy. I'm not a doom boy. I'm a realist, and if this market is going up, well, I'll be looking to play it to the upside to potentially crush it and get this crypto. And if this market is going to fall to the downside, just as it has for the past several months, then you all should know very well that the Don will be looking to potentially play this market to the downside to crush it and get this crypto. The moon boys cry when it drops, ladies and gentlemen. The Don does not cry when it drops. The Don drinks those moon boy tears. And if you ever personally find yourself in a situation where you're upset because the market is moving in one direction as opposed to the other, that probably means that you have a flaw in your strategy, because if you're looking to play the market as a neutral participant, up or down, then you don't care which direction it goes. All you care about is the volatility and the strength/momentum of the direction of the trend. That's why it's so funny to me, ladies and gentlemen, that these moon boys get so upset when the price drops. And then after something like this, a minus 50% drop to the downside, every time you get a little itty bitty green candle up, Kirby, get wrecked, moon, like you're down 50%, brother. Why are you shouting moon when the price goes up 3%, Stunad? Let's get this crypto. But I digress. I just want you all to be very well aware that even if this does wind up pooping out, crapping out up here, well, there are signs in the chart right now suggesting to me that there could be some momentum behind this. Now, if we flip over to the weekly time frame here, I'm pulling up this indicator. You should all know it if you are subscribed here, because I've been pointing it out for weeks now. All right, this is the CM Williams VIX Fix indicator. It's a custom indicator here on TradingView. Now, the fractal with this has been that on the weekly time frame, when we've seen this flip from green to gray, we have seen market bottoms come in. Of course, not every time, and there is no perfect indicator. But what I'm stating here, folks, is that there has been a high tendency for a bottom to come in after we've seen this flip from green to gray after an immaculate dump. All right. Now, we got a false signal a week ago. It turned gray and then it went back to green at the end of the week. Right now, we're about midway through this week, so it's possible it could happen here again, that this gray candle turns green. It's possible. But if it doesn't, right, and we've already seen the dump come in, and now we're on somewhat of a V-shaped recovery. If this stays gray here, folks, wow, sound the alarm bells, because this could be absolutely amazing from a bullish perspective, that we're seeing daily indicators flip. We're seeing this resistance zone get broken through. And now on the weekly, we're seeing the gray bar come back in on an indicator where the gray bar has called bottom after bottom after bottom after bottom after bottom, year in and year out for the Bitcoin price. Let's get this crypto. I don't know about you, ladies and gentlemen, but this gets me fired up. And if you are enjoying, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, tick the little bell, and select all as well. And now for the grand finale. As you know, the Don could not leave these moon boys without showing them the line break chart. Oh, Don, please pull up the line break chart. Well, you got it, little Jimmy. Today is your lucky day, because here we are with a green candle on the line break chart. Nobody else on YouTube is going to show you this chart. Probably nobody else across social media is going to show you this chart. And if they do, just remember that everybody secretly watches the Don. They find it here and then they post it for themselves without giving credit. But I digress. Here we are, ladies and gentlemen. This chart is very interesting. It cuts a lot of the noise out of what we see when we're looking at the price action. And I've actually pulled up the definition of the line break chart here if you'd like to pause the video and read it on your own time. So this week is absolutely huge for the line break chart, because as you can see, we are potentially creating a green candle right here, right now. And I say potentially because different parameters have to be met in order for this candle to close green. Okay, we're going to need to see the price move up way higher here, folks, in order for this to actually close green. So right now, we're just in the creation phase of this candle. It's possible that this could fail and go back into the pink. The candle could possibly erase itself, essentially, right? But right now, we're on the path to potentially see this turn green. And the fractal here, again, you would know this if you're subscribed. After we've seen a pink candle down, followed by a green candle body close, we have seen the Bitcoin price have a tendency to move up much higher after that occurs. Of course, the smallest one throughout history was back here in 2018, and we still had a green candle to the upside after it. But if we switch to the logarithmic chart, just for ease of visualization, just take a look at all of the times throughout Bitcoin's past that we've seen this, ladies and gentlemen. So to me, this is a very nice piece of potential bullish construction here, and it does get me excited for potential further upside action. Let's get this crypto. So now let's get back to the daily time frame here on the regular candlestick chart. Obviously, folks, I've made my case for why this trend could potentially be turning bullish. Of course, we still have a very key level of potential resistance here between 45 and 46,000, and our next range of major resistance up basically between 51K and 55K. So obviously, these are going to be areas to watch for the Bitcoin price, but as we know, this first critical range of horizontal resistance was just ripped right through. So are the bulls large and in charge right now? It's possible. And as you should all know, I was continuously playing this market to the downside, shorting moves down, just like this one here. The Don shorted it down, took an absolutely juicy profit on this trade down. Then I got out, right? And all of the doom and gloom boys at that time, right, as the price just continued to drop. Kirby, why would you get out of your short? Why would you close your short? It's so bearish. I said, little Jimmy, we're in a spot in this trend right now where we could potentially see a rally to the upside, even if it's short-lived and we continue down. The market generally is never going to move down in a straight line. Just as there are corrections in an uptrend where we see the price drop and continue higher, there are corrections in downtrends where we see the price bounce back up and then sell off again. I saw that the tides could have potentially been turning here. I flipped my strategy right there from bearish to bullish. And if you are a member of my VIP, then you would know that the Don went long way before this big rally up to 45K. The Don has been in since below 44,000. Let's get this crypto. And ladies and gentlemen, if you are not already in my VIP, that is where I keep you up to date in absolute real time with all of my real-time trade setup ideas, strategy ideas, entry ideas, and potential take profit ideas as the Don looks to potentially strike gold again. So ladies and gentlemen, if you're not already in there, do not miss my next important real-time trade setup idea and alert. Let's get this crypto. Today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from average Joe into savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's go. So folks, if you did enjoy here today, make sure you leave a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for that thumbs up on the video. I appreciate it. And if you're brand new, haha. Welcome to the most must-see and most realistic Bitcoin analysis show on YouTube, period. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, tick the little bell, and select all so you do not miss any more of these important Bitcoin updates. Let's get this crypto. I will see you all in VIP right now after this video. With everything going on right now, ladies and gentlemen, the Don has his finger on the pulse of this market, and I am prepared to strike like a cobra out of the grass and potentially get this crypto with whatever way the market moves. So make sure you do not miss out on my next real-time trade setup idea and alert posted exclusively in VIP. I will see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto. And until next time, the Don has spoken. Be safe, be happy, be healthy. It's your boy, Crypto Kirby. Peace and love, my friends. Curbs. Oh, and before I forget, don't fall for any of the fake Kirby accounts posting down in the comment section. They create fake accounts with a nearly identical username and logo to mine, then they reply to your comments with phone numbers and email addresses trying to get you to contact them. You can see several examples on your screen right now. Do not contact these people. So here's how you can verify that it's my actual real account. It's very simple. When you're watching a video on my channel, my real account will always have a gray nameplate behind my name. I also have a verified checkmark from YouTube. And just to make it even more obvious that it's me, I always leave a creator heart on my comments. Only the channel owner can leave a creator heart. So if you see the heart plus the gray background and the verified checkmark, you know that it's me. If you don't see those things, then it's obviously a fake account. It's as simple as that. They're also creating fake accounts over on Telegram now. So if you are ready to become a VIP, do not go on Telegram and search Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP. You're going to find all fake results. My group is private. When you search that in the search bar, you're getting public results. They're all fake. They're all imposters. So if you're ready to join VIP, the only way to do so is to click the link either in the pinned comment or in the description of my video. If you search for Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP anywhere else, you're going to be getting in contact with a fake. Only use the link links in either the pinned comment or the description of my official video. Stay safe and stay smart, my friends. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto.
The material in this video has no regard to the specific investment objectives, financial situation, or particular needs of any viewer. This video is presented solely for informational and entertainment purposes and is not to be construed as a recommendation, solicitation, or an offer to buy or sell any securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, or any related financial instruments, nor should any of its content be taken as investment advice. CryptoKirby is not a financial advisor. The views expressed in this video are completely speculative opinions and do not guarantee any specific result or profit. Trading and investing is extremely high risk and can result in the loss of all of your capital. Any opinions expressed in this video are subject to change without notice. CryptoKirby is not under any obligation to update or keep current the information contained herein. CryptoKirby may have an interest in the securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and or derivatives of any entities referred to in this material. CryptoKirby accepts no liability whatsoever for any loss or damage of any kind arising out of the use of all or any part of this material. CryptoKirby recommends that you consult with a licensed and qualified professional before making any investment or trading decisions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.